Sandwiches in minutes. Now you can enjoy top-quality performance with the simple-to-use, easy-to-clean Gotham Steel non-stick sandwich maker. Easy to use, makes 4 perfectly toasted pocket sandwiches in less than 5 minutes, start to finish. Clean up in seconds. The ultra-nonstick cooking surface is reinforced with ceramic and titanium to deliver the ultimate food release. No oil or butter needed, makes for healthier eating, and provides for hassle-free 1-2-3 cleanup. Simply wipe them clean with a damp cloth once they've cooled. Indicator lights. Is it ready yet? No need to ask. The sandwich maker's indicator lights let know when sandwiches are ready immediately. Cool touch locking handle. Cool touch locking handle for safe operation and convenient portability. Perfect sandwiches every time. Toasts the bread and seals with a diagonal indentation for no fuss slicing in half. Compact portable, perfect for dorm rooms and all-sized kitchens. 1 year, Gotham Steel is built for years of use and backed by a 1-year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Great old-school triangle sandwich press. If you remember the old sandwich presses from the 80s and 90s fondly, this is the updated modern version for you. Yes, there's a hinge. Yes, you need to have an understanding of how much filling you can get away with without making a mess. But if you're a vaguely competent human, it won't take long to figure that out, and you'll be making great pressed sandwiches in no time with no mess to speak of. I have no trouble fitting 2 sandwiches on standard-sized bread, nature's own sliced bread, in the grill. Usually, I've got a crushed fistful of fresh spinach and a slice of tomato or a layer of mushrooms plus 1 moderately thick slice of cheese in each sandwich. If you overdo it a little or have particularly wet veggies, you may get a little cheese bubbling out of the sandwich, but it wipes off the copper plates very easily with a clean, dry washcloth while the plates are still hot. I have not had cheese exit the actual cooking surface entirely. If you're not familiar with this kind of press and not sure what you're doing, just work your way up slowly from a little filling to a little more, and you'll get the hang of it quite easily. If you want to make an enormous dagwood, this isn't the type of device for you. Skip the triangle presses that pinch edges shut, and look at unhinged Panini presses instead. This type of press is for making relatively small, neat pocket sandwiches with closed edges all the way around, sealing the filling in, and it does an outstanding job of it.